Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can create an account on Hoop. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Hoop application on your Android device. Sign up for Hoop. Here you also can register your Hoop account with your Google account and also with your email address in just few steps. As this is a tutorial video, so I'm going to continue with email. So you tap and continue with email, then go in for providing your email address. Then you set a password for your Hoop account. After providing both the details, you need to tap on next. Now here you need to provide your date of birth. Here you can either display your age in public or you can also keep it off. Then tap on next. Here is given the community guidelines. You tap on done. Now here you need to choose your gender. Tap on next. Choose your country. Tap on next. Now here you need to provide your Snap username. Tap on next. Here you need to select a gender according to your search preferences. As I'm going with both, you tap on next. Select a country according to your search preferences. As I'm going with the worldwide, tap on next. Now here you need to provide your photos. Then you tap on done. And with that, your account has been created in Hoop. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create a Hoop account for yourself. Thank you.